Alright, you guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell, if you haven't seen our first shop video, we're back at the new shop and we're gonna go straight into some renovations and some cleaning today. As you guys know, this whole building, it's been a great financial investment. It's been a great financial risk we've been playing. So we're trying to save money and save costs everywhere that we can. Now that being said, you're gonna see a lot of updates around the inside of the shop, in the office, and in the warehouse, but I'm not gonna show you guys that stuff quite just yet. We're keeping this shot tight because we have another video to follow up with to kind of show everything that's been happening. But today we're gonna be focusing on arguably one of the most disgusting places of the whole entire shop, and that is right here behind these walls. We didn't really highlight it too much in the first video, but let's just say this, it's disgusting. The previous tenants didn't do the best job. We have overgrowth, we have sludge and moss on the walls. As you can see, the boys are here today, so this shop finally has some life coming into it. It's really exciting to see everyone here. There's trash on the ground, there's litter everywhere. I think there's a bottle of piss that's left right here. Now, we could hire someone to come and clean all this stuff up, but we thought we'd get our hands dirty, we'd roll up our sleeves, and we would film and document the whole entire space with pressure washers, hedge trimmers, and some good old-fashioned blood, sweat, and tears. But there's one major thing that I discovered that I'm gonna show you guys, and it's pretty bad. You guys wait right here. Oh my God. Now, I discovered this just days after I filmed the last video, but behind the building is the biggest pile of litter I've ever seen.
You want me to?
Yeah, zoom out. Now, at first I thought this was homeless encampment. For this job, we actually hired a professional junk service, and while we're cleaning the whole backside today, they're gonna be cleaning about 100 feet by 20 feet of just trash. So let's get started.
That's not a nitro cold brew, so
Is it piss?
I'm pretty sure it's piss.
Oh, fuck.
Nah.
$1,000.
Nah. Nah. All your bushes are overgrown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim all the bushes to match the property line. We're gonna take all these leaves that have just been here for probably the life of this building. It will look like this. That's step number 2. We're gonna take a shovel and I'm gonna hard line the back of the dirt, kind of pad it a little bit so it doesn't come over it. Clean off the top of it. So all this will now be shrub-free, leaf-free, edged up, and then we will still have this disgusting ass wall after that. We're gonna spray it with degreaser best we can, and then take the pressure washer and just start making this thing hopefully look like that. We'll see what we can get. It's a good pressure washer, but it's like a hobbyist one. We have a good concrete cleaner degreaser. If we can do all of that one day, I'll be surprised.
You're never satisfied with what you have. Every day's an off day if you don't get your way. Scream more, more, more until your throat gets sore. Jump on the direct express, let's make it right. Don't be a spoiled brat, baby, get out tonight. Oh, get out tonight. Oh yeah, you know what I want.
If it doesn't break, how are we gonna get it off the floor?
I don't know, do you want to just try it now?
Yeah, try it.
Or, yeah, okay, you can do it.
Just go for it.
It's f***ing stuck.
Well, this is great product testing for whatever brand this is.
I think it'll work.
So
Fiskars.
Fiskars. All right, let's see what you got, Fiskars.
That's not gonna work. It did shatter.
I want you to know that this is for you.
Oh, I'm not doing it by myself. I'm gonna blow my back out. I recently told you guys I've become obsessed with football, and this is a big weekend because it's the NFL Conference Championship. I downloaded Underdog Fantasy a few months ago, and I've recently become obsessed with it, and it is the best place to play fantasy sports. Underdog Fantasy is extremely easy, and they have all the different sports categories on there, and it's super simple. All you do is you pick a player, and you choose if they're gonna go higher or lower than a projected stat. You can either pick 2 picks, or you can go all the way up to 5 picks for the pick'em entry, and if you get all of your picks right, you can even win up to 100 times your money. I have seriously been using this app for a long time. I have some loss streaks, I have some win streaks, but look at this, $200 in 1 pick. I went 5 for 5 against the Miami and the Bills game, and I have literally gotten all of my friends, and even Sabrina's dad. We text each other all weekend and go over each other's picks and try to come up with the best pick'em entry. Underdog is available in 30 plus states, including California, Texas, and even Canada. And this weekend they have a special deal on McCaffrey on the 49ers. All he has to do is go for 1 yard. It's pretty much a freebie answer. It's something that you pretty much can't get wrong. So be sure to use him in this weekend's pick'ems. I'm gonna be going in this weekend. I'm gonna make a ton of different selections, and I cannot wait. It literally makes sports a million times more enjoyable, and trust me, you'll get hooked. And right now, if you guys download Underdog Fantasy and use code HUNT, they'll match up to $100. So if you put in $100, they'll match you a free $100, which gives you $200. That's a free $100 on me. So be sure to click the links down below. Thank you so much for Underdog for sponsoring this channel because I love you guys. And be sure to use my code HUNT. And now let's get back to today's video. And good luck.
I'm just gonna put it against the wall.
And
Yeah,
kick
you
it.
just throw it and we punch it.
It's so strong. Oh, there's rebar.
Oh. Well, we're not gonna shatter that.
Yeah, that's what rebar's. Hey, case in point, that's why you put rebar in concrete.
We've come across a shocking discovery. A discovery that no one ever wants to find when doing this job, but honestly, sometimes you kind of expect it. Human feces. Now, because of YouTube, we have to blur this out, but that's human poop
Yeah.
in this corner. Want me to do the honors?
If you want to, I have no problem doing it. But you know what? Also, sounds kind of fun to watch you do it. There it is. Nice, dude. Pretty deep. There's a trash bag right behind you here.
Oh, it smells.
Does it?
Don't, yep, it does smell down there.
Yeah.
Want me to help? Oh.
Wow.
You guys don't understand how heavy that crate was. It's the power of having superhumans, aka Dylan,
That's not going
and the guy who's doing all the drunken for us. They're big humans. Crazy how much progress we've gotten just in clearing out all of the weeds and shoveling all the crap. Now, moving on to what I'm excited about, hitting it with the pressure washer. So we have a concrete soap that we have in the pressure washer. So we're gonna soak the walls first, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then hit it with the pressure washer. And hopefully all of this grime, years and years of buildup, falls right off.
You don't have to go now. I won't let you down.
All right, well, Dylan hops on to pressure washing the wall. Dude, the sludge that we're pushing out of this place is crazy. I'm gonna take this garbage bin that's really heavy already, and there's just a bunch of litter all around the parking lot. Garbage disposal cap. Hey, look at this.
Oh, mega flat.
Kind of flat, but there is a secret basketball court somewhere on our property that I haven't shown you guys yet, so stay tuned, but I think that's how there's a basketball here. Kobe. It's a fucking laptop.
What?
Whoa! No way! They watch us on YouTube. I quit! I just made a bigger mess for myself. I don't know how our curb got moved, but our curb is moved. Okay, ready? Heave! Heave! I get it. Right there.
There we go.
Oh, that's so much better. I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. If you're not, and you're like, I don't get why they're doing this, I have a little analogy for you. This whole entire video, think of it like the NSX. It's old, it's crusty, it's been abused. Hell, in some places, it's been shit on. But with a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of know-how, you can polish a turd. In a lot of ways, we do that with cars, and it's really cool to do it with something other than a car. We're using a lot of the little just power washing and soaps and just same mantra we use on the NSX and other cars we've done, we're doing it here. And it's really cool to see this place come together. I was just talking with Dylan, I'm like, dude, I can't wait to watch this footage back because this morning, this pad was so much worse and everything was so much worse. And although we're not gonna make it perfect, we're really just trying to make it more appealing so when you guys are watching the videos, it doesn't look like crap. And I think we've done a really good job. There's still a lot more work to do, but over the course of one day, I'm really happy with the results that we got today. I also wanted to mention that if any of you guys watching have some suggestions of what we could fix and clean up from certain areas on the shop that you have seen, leave some comments down below because we're looking for any way to improve this space. I don't want to show you guys too much of what we have going on because we're also filming another video, which is the next video of this shop update. As you guys saw, the before and afters of all the clips, major progress. There's still trash to be picked up down the side of the building. There's still a few more power washing walls to do, but that was just one day's work with 4 different people all going on it. I'm really excited. This is Kevin's first time seeing this spot. Sick. And I wanted to get a thing with Calvin because I wanted just to talk with Calv about it. But I'm really proud of what we're doing here. I'm really proud to do it with all these gentlemen. And I really appreciate everyone watching these videos. You guys have really been enjoying them lately, and we hear it down below in the comments, and that means the world. Within the next 2 weeks, hopefully under that, we can be fully moved in, we can have this place rocking and rolling, and we can start filming out of here because we have some really cool stuff lined up that I don't want to start them until we get in here. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get updated every time we upload a new video. You can turn on the post notifications so your phone gets notified so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out and keep moving forward.